How a smart mom handles a child's fever. Mommy, help me. I feel sick, Mommy, very sick. Oh no. I quickly touch my son's burning face. Oh my God, Tommy is boiling hot. Hello everyone, my name is Mary. I am an office worker and a busy mom. It is 11 o'clock at night now, and my son, Tommy, has a fever. Am I scared? Yes, I am very scared, but I must be a smart and calm mom. I need to handle this situation carefully. First, I get my thermometer from the box. I sit on the bed next to Tommy. It's okay, honey, let me check your temperature. Then, I gently place the thermometer under his arm. Next, I wait for a short minute. It shows 38.5 degrees Celsius. Oh my, this is a high fever. Don't worry, Tommy, Mommy will take care of you. I must help him cool down right now. To begin with, I prepare some warm water. I never use cold water for a fever. I soak a soft towel in the warm water. Then, I gently wipe his face and body. This warm water will help you feel better, honey. He looks a bit more comfortable now. Afterwards, Tommy needs to drink more water. I mix a packet of Orasol into a cup. It is important to prevent dehydration now. He needs these minerals to stay strong. I use a small spoon for him to drink. Just a little sip, my brave boy. Tommy drinks the water slowly, one by one. My brave boy, he is doing a great job. Then, I decide to go to the pharmacy. Lucky me, it is still open. I talk to the pharmacist about my son. My son is 6. He has a high fever. The pharmacist gives me some medicine. This is safe for young children, he says. He tells me to watch Tommy carefully. If the fever stays high, I must see a doctor. I go back home and prepare the medicine. I know it tastes strong, but please try, Tommy. He makes a sad face, but he drinks it. My little boy, he is trying very hard. Finally, I sit by his bed all night. I hold his small hand in my hand. Everything will be okay, my little hero. I try to stay calm and wait. During the night, I check his breathing every hour. I look for dangerous signs like fast breathing. I also watch for any seizures or shaking. Tommy, please get better soon. Eventually, the sun starts to wake up. I touch Tommy's forehead once again. Yay! His skin feels cool and dry now. He is sleeping very peacefully. Oh my, what a long night! I feel very tired but so happy. Every child gets sick sometimes, no matter how healthy they are. It is a normal part of growing up. The most important thing for parents is to stay calm and handle the situation wisely. That is the way to take the best care of your child. Let's answer the following questions. Question 1. What time did Tommy get a fever? Answer. He got a fever at 11 o'clock at night. Question 2. What was Tommy's temperature? Answer. His temperature was 38.5 degrees Celsius. Question 3. What did Mary use to wipe Tommy's face and body? Answer. She used a soft towel with warm water. Question 4. Where did Mary go to get medicine for Tommy? Answer. She went to the pharmacy to get medicine for him. Question 5. What did Mary check every hour during the night? Answer. She checked his breathing and watched for any seizures or shaking every hour during the night. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and fun. Please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.